Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to install Arduino software IDE on your computer or laptop. Right? If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up your favorite browser. Okay. Now just go ahead and type down arduino.cc. All right. That's it. Arduino.cc. Now, once done, just hit on enter and their website will open. So what we're going to do in here is just go ahead and click on products right here at the top right. Now go ahead and go to Cloud and Tools and just click on Arduino IDE. Now scroll all the way down until you find this drop down, okay? Arduino IDE, and that's the time of our recording. We have 2.3.7 version, okay? You can go ahead and select from one of these installations right here. But since we are under Windows 11, okay, we can go ahead and download Windows 10 or newer 64-bit, okay? But if you have Linux or Mac, you can go ahead and select from one of these options. Now go ahead and click on download. Now download page will pop up, so just go ahead and save it wherever you want and just wait for the download process to finish. And once the download is done, you can click on the installer right here or close the browser. And here we have the installer, double click on it. Now go ahead and click on I agree. Only for me. Next, install. Okay. Wait for the installation process to finish. And once that's done, all you got to do is just click on finish right here and Arduino IDE will just automatically launch. Okay. Just wait for it to fully open. Just hit on allow right here as there will be a pop-up. Allow once more. And there you have it. Okay. Just wait for the final downloads right here. And there will be a prompt again. Click on install, 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 install. Okay. And as you can see here, it's now finalizing and it's done. Now it says here installed. Okay. So all you got to do next is just go ahead and plug in your device or hardware. Now you can go ahead and check it right here under a device manager if your hardware is fully plugged in under Universal Serial Bus. Okay. It will be named Arduino right here. So you have here the verify button, upload. Yep, upload. The board, you can sketch right here. You have tools, and under files, we have examples as well. And that's basically it. That's how you install the Arduino software IDE on your computer or laptop. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.